$29 a month, Junior?
$29 a month, Pops.
You're saying for $29 a month, EZlocal will help my small business rank higher in Google and Bing?
Yes, sir. EZlocal's Listing Sync program will help you rank higher in search engines, and it's only $29 a month. EZlocal will submit your business listing to 30-plus directories, including Superpages, Dexnos, YellowPages.com.
Well, couldn't I just send my info to these directories myself?
Here's the issue, Pops. Directories like to see consistency, and they like to see information coming from a trusted source. EZlocal resubmits your info to directories on a weekly basis to keep your info consistent across the internet, and they provide you with a dashboard so you can monitor your progress.
EZlocal is a Google and Bing partner, and they've managed their own directory for over 15 years. They know how this stuff works.
And it's only $29 a month?
$29 a month!
Check out the URL in the description of this video. Visit that site and activate Listing Sync for $29 a month. Get found on search engines and start attracting new customers for only
$29 a month.